into the lineup. The 57 Chev of Avenger, all the way from the United States of America. This Freak Show. Behind Freak Show is the menacing muscle arms of Samson.
Is Freak Show driving backwards or is it just me? Oh, backwards! Oh.
And kids.
Yes, it is. It's
Truck in
Batman.
our mix is one of the kids' favorites. And we have Scooby-Doo! All 6 of them monster trucks out on the Grand Parade lot. All of them are running Fuchs oils and lubricants in them. That's and lots in them. We have the young sliding back on tonight, Jay Bellaby. Right now in Avenger, we have our sponsor from Ford, so she's in for the ride of her life there. Freak Show. Need not say more about that truck. The American import, Samson. And we have a special guest here this evening, the Australian Monster Truck Champion, the live Featherby in Scooby-Doo.